Hi, my name is Dunya and I'm the Academic Community Manager at OKTOPI. I'm going to show you how you can easily create a class directly on the platform. Once you reach your dashboard, if you do not have any materials scheduled for a specific date, you will see a Create Class button. You may also create a class directly from your library by choosing which class type it is and create a class there. Or you can go to the Add New button, choose Class, and pick which class type you would like to create. If you are creating an open class, it means that this class does not have a specific time and date. It is a self-paced class where students can join anytime and complete the materials inside at their convenience. You may also schedule live sessions once students have enrolled in this class. A scheduled class is a class that has a specific duration, a start and an end date. This is perfect for workshops or a class that is according to a semester. You may also add materials and sites according to a specific date and time, including live sessions. Now, whichever class type you choose, you will be required to enter a class description. This is the page that the students will see before they enroll in your class, so it is important to make it populated and as creative as possible. Enter a class name specific to the class and choose an image that would be relevant to this class. You can choose one of our thumbnails or upload a photo of your own. Determine how many students you would like to enroll in this class, or simply click the tick box if you would like unlimited students. You may have a free class by clicking the free class box, or a paid class if you have linked your payment, and determine the class price. The class price plus transfer fee is the final price that the students will see. Enter your class description and make it as detailed as possible regarding who this class is for, what's the age group, what type of material will be inside, will it include live sessions or not, and you can always add an attachment from your computer of relevant material that could be given inside the class to help your students get an idea and better understanding of what this class will be. Press Create Class when you are done. If you go to your draft section in your library, you will see your class where you can always open it and edit the class and modify the material inside. You may schedule the class if it's a scheduled class. If it is open, there is no need to schedule it. Choose a relevant date, that is the class to start, and an end date. This is ideal if you're doing a workshop. You can pick a time for the class to begin and the time for the class to end on the end date. Then press Schedule Class. After doing so, you will always be able to add activities. You can use our direct Zoom integration where you can speak to your students directly using Zoom on the platform without leaving it. You may also schedule an in-person session and arrange a meet and greet with your students to have them meet you outside the online experience. You can even add a resource by creating one right then and there, or you can add a resource directly from your library by choosing the plus sign under Actions that indicates that you would like to connect this resource to your class. If you have scheduled any events like a live or in-person session, they will appear under Events. The remaining material will appear under Resources. If you would like to invite your students, click on the Invite button and share a link with them on any channel you wish, or invite them via email. You may also publish your class to our Explore Classes page where students that are outside your network that are browsing the OKTOPI website could actually view your class and enroll in it. To show you an example of a class I have already completed, I'm going to go to the Scheduled Class section. If you like a class, you can always copy it and run it again. Open the class that you have and you will see that I have populated it with a video and a very nice description. I've also added a lot of material inside my class. Now, you do not have to prepare all the material ahead of time. If you are more of a teacher on the go, you can add activities even though your students are already enrolled. To show you an example of a resource I have in a class, I've included a picture and 2 videos, connected it to objectives, and my students have rated it. So this gives me an idea of what my students thought about my lessons. Under Events, I can see if I have any live sessions scheduled, and I can even filter them by live sessions or in-person meetings. To view what my students are doing in class, I could see how much of the class material they've completed by looking at the percentage under the student name. I can even click on the student and see in detail which materials they have opened and score them accordingly. If I would like to show you a material, I can click on the material, go to attach and comment, and see what my students have submitted if it was a certain assignment, and even discuss with them around this assignment or lesson material. I can do that by text, attachment, and even send an audio. If I would like to personalize a material for a specific student, I can always add a resource for that student, create one from scratch or add it from the library, or even schedule an event that is unique to that student only. This allows for a lot of differentiation.